Something remarkable is unfolding around the interstellar object known as 3I Atlas. Over the past few months, what began as a distant curiosity has rapidly evolved into one of the strangest astronomical stories in recent years. NASA finally broke its silence with a live stream announcing new images taken from multiple spacecraft. The official answer they offered was simple: 3I Atlas is a comet. But almost everything that has happened since challenges that straightforward conclusion. Humanity has long searched for signs of life beyond Earth. Recent rover missions on Mars have hinted at possible traces of ancient biology. But while those findings point to the distant past, 3I Atlas is unfolding in real time. As an interstellar visitor, it has displayed unusual behavior that scientists were not prepared for. A series of unexplained anomalies has emerged, far more than what a typical comet should show. And these anomalies have raised larger questions about what this object truly is. When NASA released its new images, many expected dramatic revelations. Instead, the data was limited. A few blurry frames, scattered spectroscopic readings, and a confirmation that the object emits gas, as expected. But nothing in the official release addressed the stranger observations being reported by independent astronomers. The biggest puzzles remained untouched. One major issue is the estimated size and mass of 3I Atlas. Some analyses suggest it may be vastly larger than any interstellar object previously recorded. If true, it raises a paradox. Why did we detect this massive object before ever seeing the countless smaller ones that should statistically exist? Even more unusual is that its orbit aligns almost perfectly with the ecliptic, the same plane where Earth and the rest of the planets orbit the Sun. It's an alignment so precise that it places the object directly within reach of every major space telescope. This coincidence has fueled speculation beyond academia. Some analysts have suggested that if 3I Atlas were not entirely natural, the geopolitical implications would be enormous. In a world where nations compete fiercely for space dominance, the discovery of unfamiliar materials or advanced structures could offer unimaginable strategic advantages. These fears have led some observers to wonder whether all data is truly being released, or whether some information is being quietly examined behind the scenes. Even without speculation, the comet's behavior is undeniably strange. Its tail does not behave the way normal comet tails do. Instead of pointing steadily away from the Sun, the tail of 3I Atlas shifts direction rapidly, sometimes swinging forward, sometimes fading, and sometimes appearing on both sides of the nucleus at once. A reverse tail, one pointing toward the Sun, has been captured multiple times. Such a feature is extremely rare and difficult to explain using ordinary solar wind physics. Independent astronomers have recorded sequences showing the object changing shape in minutes. Jets of material extend outward in long, straight lines, sometimes as many as 7 at once, yet they show almost no wobble or drift. That stability contradicts claims that the comet rotates every 16 hours. If the nucleus were spinning, those jets should sway or distort significantly, but they don't. Some scientists have attempted natural explanations, suggesting unusual dust composition or asymmetric outgassing that could mimic controlled motion. But the consistency and precision seen in many images make the explanations incomplete. Others have proposed far more speculative ideas, such as propulsion-like effects or mode changes, comparing the structure of the tail to exhaust from a device shifting direction. While not proven, these theories reflect how unusual the data appears. What makes all of this more complicated is that these anomalies are emerging at a time when global interest in unexplained aerial and space phenomena is growing. Governments are expanding their space surveillance programs, increasing budgets for orbital monitoring, and heightening security around satellite networks. In this environment, any interstellar object showing unusual behavior immediately attracts deeper scrutiny, and sometimes secrecy. Despite the uncertainty, a crucial moment is approaching. On December 19th, 3I Atlas will make its closest approach to Earth. This will be the best, and perhaps only, chance for humanity to collect clear, detailed observations. Telescopes across the Northern Hemisphere will be trained on the object. Powerful space-based observatories like the Hubble Space Telescope and the James Webb Space Telescope will gather data across multiple wavelengths. Many experts believe that the information we collect over just a few days may exceed everything we have learned about previous interstellar visitors combined. These observations could finally reveal whether 3I Atlas is simply a strange comet, an unfamiliar natural object, or something that challenges our understanding of how interstellar bodies behave. Whatever the answer, the days around December 19th may become a milestone in modern astronomy, a point in time when humanity takes one step closer to understanding not only this mysterious object, but also our place in the universe.